Howdy, everybody. This is Cole with the Managed Services team here at Planet, and I'm here to update you on this week's Play of the Week. There's a new update coming soon to Outlook on your mobile device to enhance your emailing experience. If you've ever had issues while drafting an email only to realize you need some other information from another email or your calendar and have to save the drafts, well, this update is for you. Outlook will help you compose the email more quickly and efficiently by allowing you to minimize your draft emails and quickly access again from the message list or calendar view. This means that while composing an email, you can easily get information you need from your calendar or other emails and easily get back into the draft you're working in without ever having to go to the draft folder. Keep an eye out for this feature as it will be rolling out to Android and iOS in January 2025 for both commercial and Gov clouds. Thank you for tuning in to this edition of Play of the Week. Please let us, your IT staff, know if you have any questions at all. Thanks and have a great week.